Today we're going to be lifting this pool deck. You can see we've got a bit of a difference there. This slab here is sunk, so we're going to try raise that up, but even more so to stabilize it. It's just sunk over time, cracked away from the pool, so we're going to stabilize this whole area here. So yeah, you can see we've got a little bit of soil erosion back there. It's not bad. It's not worth it actually going in from the top because we've got this huge big footer and a slab. So what we're going to do is we're just going to spray some foam in from outside along this section here right up to where the house meets the patio. We get some foam in underneath there. That'll just stop further soil erosion, do a bit of soil remediation there. It'll stop critters from getting in there. It'll stop any more soil erosion taking place. Let's get started. So we're lifting the slab up. It is lifting, which means that it's compacting the soil. Oh dear, stop. That's how far it's spread out. Pushed out this way, which is great because the material is now flowing all the way around Eric. Well, we're filling the void, but we're also trying to get some lift out here. I don't think there was much of a void. It's more that this is sunk due to these old gutters they got along there. So water runs down there, gets underneath the concrete and softens the soil. So eventually over time, the slab is sunk. It's cracked and it's sunk down a little bit. Yeah, we've got this halfway, at least halfway up from where it was. I want to see if we can get it completely level. The only way we can determine if there's any lift is to move it this way.
It did lift.
No, it was lifting, but we just got a bit too much binding in there at that point.
Because we're okay here.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't want to get too much lift. It's more stabilizing.
Okay.
So now we're just stabilizing the rest. We got some good lift in this corner. We lifted it up about 1/4 of an inch, I think. And then that we got stabilized and lifted as much as we can. Now we're just stabilizing the rest of this area here. Then we're going to go and fill the void outside. Eric's just doing a couple of squirts in there, get a couple of gallons of material under there. So now what we're doing, we're just going to fill this foam up from outside, fill the void up from outside because it's not really very deep, but we just want to stop some soil erosion there, do some soil remediation. So we're going to pump foam in from the outside and it's going to foam, fill up the void and blow out. Let's go. You see the void's really not particularly thick. See anything else, Eric? I don't think that's really much of a void, is it? And there, Eric, because there's another spot there to see if that's hollow there.
No. No.
All right. That went well. We got all the voids filled. You can see how the foam's pushed out nicely from the inside out. I mean, there weren't very big voids, but the customer was concerned about soil erosion, so this will bind the soil together with filling the voids as well. So yeah, that went well. I'm happy with that. Now we're going to do a cleanup. We'll chop some of this off, but we don't want to take too much away because it holds everything together. So we'll just chop a little bit off, make it look pretty, and then they can backfill it. Excess foam. And there you can see we've still got those voids nice and filled up. Pull down some of this excess. Okay, so I'm going to leave this here. Customer's going to fill this up with dirt, get it all nice and level again. So I'm going to leave that there since it will be covered anyway. But as for the rest, we got it nice and cleaned up. This was a good job, successful. Got everything filled up we wanted to, plus a bit more.
Yeah, it's getting hot. The bugs are coming out.
If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe. Follow some more pool deck lifting in Florida. If you need any concrete repairs, call the number below. Check out this video here. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time.